All right, today you're going to start designing your cereal box using Microsoft Publisher. You will also use Microsoft Word to help edit your photos or images that you're going to be inserting into your Publisher document for your cereal box. Before you start this, you need to have completed the cereal box planning. So you had this handout that was given to you in class. You need to make sure that you have came up with a, let me see if I can download this real quick. There we go. So a cereal name, your target audience, your colors, try to stick with 3, no more than 5, your fonts. So you want a specific font for your cereal name, your slogan, or any other text. Your cereal shape and color. Okay, your slogan, which should be a catchy, memorable, that relates to your theme of your cereal, and then a mascot. Also, today you're gonna come up with a nutritional label. Just Google some sample cereal nutritional labels and then record that down. Complete a quick sketch. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's just a rough draft. All right, once you do that, it's time to start creating your cereal box. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the cereal box design assignment that is posted in Canvas. To download, you are going to click the download link and then download again in the top right. Once you do that, it'll pop up in the downloads on our web browser, and then you should have this template. All right, for the template, what you're going to do is kind of take a look at mine. So the bigger rectangles, one is going to be the front, one is the back. It doesn't really matter which one you use. And then the 2 smaller ones are the sides of the cereal box. And you will see a sample of this in class, printed out and folded. So on the front, you're going to want to have your title of your cereal, your mascot, your slogan, a bowl with your cereal samples. On the side, you're going to want to have a barcode, and then you can put other information if you would like to. On the back of the cereal box, that's where you're going to put your nutrition facts or your nutritional label. You're going to use a table to do that. And then a lot of cereal boxes have some fun activities, fun facts, some reading material on the back. So you can see I just did a little maze with my little bull mascot and a trophy at the end to get through. All right, first things first is to change the color. This is a template, so to change the color of these larger rectangles and all these little flaps on the side, you will not put anything there. That's where we fold it. You're going to go to Insert, you're going to go to Shapes, and you're going to choose a rectangle. You're going to want to click and drag and fill that rectangle as close as you can get it, okay? Then we get this new tab shape format. You're going to pick your fill color, so maybe you want a yellow. I did mine blue, so I'm gonna just keep that. And then outline, you can do no outline or change it to the same color, okay? Try to make sure you're covering that rectangle the best as you can. I'm gonna move this over here a little bit. So, because I chose this one for my front on the other one. All right, so you have that done. Now it's time to go find your pictures. So like I said, my mascot's this bull. I have the text, and this is Bernard MT condensed. And then I have my slogan down here. So any pictures that you want to find. So here's my little bull. You're going to click it to enlarge it. Then you're going to right click and you're going to copy it. Now remember, there's a lot of images have that background that we want to remove. We cannot do that in Publisher, so I'm going to simply open my Word app. And I'm going to paste that bull there. I'm going to click on it, picture format, remove background, mark areas to keep. And you've just got to take your time and make sure that you are filling in all the areas that you do not want removed, okay? And you have to be patient because sometimes it does take a little longer for some images. So sometimes if you scribble, there we go. Now I've got that part. I got to kind of keep looking. This eye is still, this one is being, well, it's not wanting to color in. There you go. I'm getting it. Okay. So that looks pretty good. Oh, let me get the top of my little bull's hair. Okay. I'm going to keep it like this. So then you keep changes from there. You're going to copy that image. You're going to come to your cereal box and you are going to paste it. As soon as you paste an image, click wrap text none so you can move it freely. And I'm going to just put my bull there. Okay. For any text that you use, you're going to go to insert, you're going to draw that text box. Okay, I use Bernard MT Condensed, and then choose a font size and you can play around with it. My cereal was called Bull Bites. Okay, pay attention to symmetry and proportions. So I'm going to center it in the middle of my box horizontally and vertically. So there's my title. Okay, you can even go to text box, text fill. If I fill it white, text outline, maybe I want like a yellow outline. There you go. So Bull Bites, got my title, I have my mascot. Now what I want you to do is find a cereal bowl. And I can put this cereal bowl on the Canvas assignment as well. This is one of the best ones I found. I'm going to right click, copy that. I'm going to put it into Word again, and I'm going to picture format, remove that background. Mark areas to keep. I want to make sure my bowl turns white. I'm pretty sure I can, there we go. So give it a second. Oops. And remember, if you ever go outside the lines, like I just did there, you can go mark areas to remove, and I can remove it. Okay, let's, almost done. Let's remove this because it's going to show up. You want all that gone, so you just gotta be patient. There we go. All right, so then I'm going to keep changes. Now I'm going to copy this cereal box and I'm going to paste it. Again, wrap text none, so I can move it to wherever I want to move it to. Okay, be careful, undo. Sometimes it's going to want to replace the picture, so you got to kind of move it slowly. Okay. So make sure you size it so it looks proportioned. Okay, there we go. Now, here's another cool trick. If I click on this cereal bowl and I go to picture format, we're going to go to recolor. We can recolor our cereal bowl. So like that matches my bowl better. You can also sometimes go to more variations, more colors, and you can try to recolor it from there. So maybe I want it more orange. There you go. So see how that orange kind of matches my bowl. So try that. Now to do your cereal pieces, you can use shapes, or you can go to Google and find something. I just used a circle and I created it. Okay, I filled it into my cereal color. So I'm going to do this orange, and then I just copied and pasted and moved them around to make my cereal. Okay, and then I took some more and then I changed them to blue to match my color scheme. All right, so then I just copied and pasted that. I filled my cereal bowl. All right, so there's that. For the slogan, I wanted it to stand out. So remember, I taught you guys how to do transparent for your dance flyers. So I inserted a rectangle and I filled it white and took off the outline. I went back to my shape fill, more fill colors, and I changed that transparency up a little bit. So there it's kind of faded. From there, I just insert another text box, and this is where I typed in my slogan. So fuel your day, charge ahead. Okay, so I can go fuel your day, charge ahead. Center aligned it. Oops. Okay, increase the font size. I don't remember what I did for this. I think I did Times New Roman, which is a common font, and I made it italic and bold. There we go. Okay, again, you want to make sure that's center aligned, it looks even. Okay, change your colors if you want to. So I'm going to change that to blue, and I'm going to just keep it like that. I know it doesn't match the other one, but there. All right, for your nutritional label, you're going to go to insert a table. You're going to insert a 2x8. Okay. You are going to move this over to the other side, the back of the cereal box. The top row, select the first two, go to layout and merge those cells. Okay, and you're going to type in nutritional label. And then you're going to start typing in your serving size. Go to the next one, calories. Okay, if you need to insert more, you just click on that bottom one, insert below. When you're finished, you're going to want to select that whole table, go to your table design. You're going to want your line color black, And you're going to want borders, all borders. Okay, so there is your nutritional label. From there, have fun, design it, change font colors, insert a maze or something fun on the back, insert a barcode on the side. I'll do the barcode real quick. I just went to Google and typed in barcode. Okay, it's not the same thing as a QR code. You just gotta click them and see which one works. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna copy this one and I'm going to go to publisher, paste it. Again, I'm gonna wrap text none. Okay, I'm gonna drag it over so I can resize this barcode quite a bit. It's way too big. Okay, and then put the barcode on the side. All right, so have fun, be creative, design it, and make sure you're paying attention to your white space, your margins, your symmetry, and your color scheme.